Let's try a harder example. This one has a quartic in it, but the method is the same. We're going to factorise it and then use that to sketch the graph. So, let p of x equal x to the fourth plus 4x cubed minus 25x squared minus 88x minus 60. So, I'm going to try a few simple small values until I find a factor. P of 1, well that's 1 plus 4 minus 25 minus 88 minus 60. This is a very big negative number which is not equal to 0. Try P of negative 1. Negative 1 to the fourth is positive 1. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1, so that's minus 4. Negative 1 squared is positive 1, so that's minus 25. 88 times negative 1, I'm going to change the sign and make it plus 88. Take away 60. Carefully. 1 take 4 is negative 3. Take 25 is negative 28. Plus 88 is 60. Take 60 is 0. Good. That means x minus negative 1, which is x plus 1, is a factor of p of x. So let's divide it. X to the fourth plus 4x cubed minus 25x squared minus 88x minus 60 divided by x plus 1. X goes into x to the fourth, x cubed times. X times x cubed is x to the fourth. 1 times x cubed is x cubed. Subtract. Goes away. 4 minus 1 is 3x cubed. Bring down the next term. X goes into 3x cubed, 3x squared times. X times 3x squared is 3x cubed. 1 times 3x squared is 3x squared. Subtract. Goes away. Negative 25 minus 3 is negative 28x squared. Bring down the next term. X goes into negative 28x squared, negative 28x times. Multiply them, negative 28x squared. Multiply those is minus 28x. Subtract, they go away. Negative 88 plus 28 is negative 60. Bring down the next term. X goes into negative 60x, negative 60 times. Negative 60x, negative 60, 0 as expected. That means my p of x is equal to x plus 1 times x cubed plus 3x squared minus 28x minus 60. Okay, now I have to factorise this one. Let q of x equal x cubed plus 3x squared minus 28x minus 60. Try. Now, we've already tried 1 and negative 1. So let's try some other numbers. Let's try 2. Well, 2 cubed is 8. 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times 28 is 56. Is that right? Yes, 56. Take 60. This is going to be a big negative number. It's not equal to 0. Try q of negative 2. Let's have a go. So, negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Negative 2 squared is still positive 4. This becomes plus 56 minus 60. Negative 8 plus 12 is positive 4. Plus 56 is 60. I'm getting ahead of myself. Take 60 is 0. And therefore, x minus negative 2, or x plus 2, is a factor of q of x. So let's divide it. X cubed plus 3x squared minus 28x minus 60 divided by x plus 2. X goes into x cubed, x squared times. Multiply x cubed plus 2x squared. Subtract. Goes away. 3 minus 2 is x squared. Bring down the next term. X goes into x squared, x times. Multiply x squared plus 2x. Subtract. Goes away. Negative 28, take 2 is negative 30x. Bring down the next term. X goes into negative 30x, negative 30 times. Negative 30x, take away 60, 0 as expected. Therefore, q of x is x plus 2 times x squared plus x minus 30. Now this one is a quadratic and I should be able to factorise it. I need two numbers that multiply to give me negative 30 and add to give me 1. What two numbers multiply to negative 30 and add to give me 1? Well, they're 5 and 6, and I need a positive in the middle, so negative 5. So that is x plus 2, x take 5, x plus 6. But remember, q of x wasn't the whole thing. I actually want p of x, which is x plus 1, times q of x. So, p of x is x plus 1 times q of x. And now I have a fully factorised polynomial that's equal to my original polynomial. I'm almost ready to sketch. Let's work out our intercepts. For the x-intercepts, set y equal to 0. 0 equals x plus 1, x plus 2, x minus 5, x plus 6. Which means x is negative 1, or negative 2, I'm getting a bit lazy here, or 5, or 6. I really could have written x equals, x equals, x equals, I'm just getting lazy. So those are my 4 x-intercepts. For the y-intercept, set x equal to 0. And again, I could use this, but it's going to be quicker to put it in here. If x is 0, all those terms disappear, and I've got negative 60. Now, the first time I tried this, I made several mistakes, including one mistake in the work you've already seen. I'm going to leave this here with my erroneous graph up just for a moment. You can have a look and see if you can find my mistakes before I do it again and show you the right graph. Okay, so let's have a go. So the function we're trying to plot is this one, which we have factorised into this. Now, the first error I made was here. X negative 1, x negative 2, x positive 5, or x negative 6. Did you spot that error? In any case, let's try sketching it. Okay, let's mark what we know. -1, -2, +5, or -6. It's a positive x to the fourth, which you can also see from the factorised version. These x's are going to multiply and give me positive x to the fourth. So that means it starts up and finishes up. What's it doing in between? It has to fill those parts in. So it's coming down, fill in a smooth curve as best you can, up, down again, and back up again. It's supposed to go through the 5. And the one other point we do know, why -60 here? -60. And there's the sketch of the curve. If you didn't work out my errors on my first version, by all means go back now and have a look and compare them. Can you see what I did wrong?